No matter who you are, laundry is a part of your life to some degree. Whether how often you wash your clothes, it's inevitable. You put them on and there's truly nothing better than feeling fresh and clean. But what if there's something lurking in those fabrics that's not so healthy? You see, conventional laundry detergents are packed with chemicals like nonylphenol xylides, synthetic fragrances, phthalates, and optical brighteners. These chemicals don't always rinse out completely, leaving residue on your clothes. And what happens is your skin absorbs these chemicals, which can lead to skin irritation, allergies, and even hormone disruption. Heat and sweat can reactivate these chemicals, increasing their absorption even while you sleep and especially when you exercise. And while there are a lot of companies that will greenwash you and make you think that you're safe by using their products, there is one solution that is truly non-toxic, and that is Truly Free. With plant-based formulas that are free from harsh chemicals and safe for your skin and the environment, Truly Free is what you've been looking for and what you need. It's completely free from synthetic fragrances, toxic chemicals, and other harmful ingredients, and they still clean your clothes. I call that a win-win. If you're interested in learning more about non-toxic laundry detergent, visit Truly Free today and make the switch to a healthier laundry routine. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.